FYI, this is not even anything.
You wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If this is your first time here at my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm doing a what's in my bag. I showed you guys this new purse in one of my recent videos, and someone said I should do a what's in my bag video. So I was like, yes girl, I will. So I'm also going to tell you guys a little bit about the purse and how I like it so far, because I've been using it for about a week and a half now. So this is my newest bag, and it's a YSL camera bag. This bag is this style of bag is called a camera bag, and this one is just from YSL. A lot of different companies make this exact style or similar to this style, but I really liked this one. I asked you guys in one of my videos if I should get this one or the Gucci one, and you guys, everyone who answered said to get this one, so I definitely got it. I also wanted this one more anyway, so I was happy that you guys chose this guy. I got it in a beige color, and I think this color is perfect. It goes with so many different things that I wear. I actually did want the black, but when I went into the store, I saw this color and I was like, you know what? I think I want this color instead. So I picked out this one, and I love the detailing on the bag, like this little detail right here, the logo. I love the brassy gold look. It's not super shiny, and also it has a tassel here on the tassel. It does say Saint Laurent as well, and it has a long strap that is adjustable, so you could adjust it to your height. So I love the bag. The back is plain, and it's a smooth leather. I'm not sure what type of leather it is, but I know it's a smooth leather. It's a nice casual bag, but also you could dress it up a little bit for the evening if you really wanted to. I think it's a great in-between bag. I'm gonna open up the bag and show you guys what's in it. So the first thing in here is my wallet, and this is the Louis Vuitton Victoria wallet, I think it's called. I have it in the monogram and then the pink on the inside. I want to say about 3 to 4 years ago, I only started using compact wallets. I used to get the longer, you know, wallets. I started getting compact wallets because they fit into every bag. I don't have to worry about some of my bags being too small for my wallet, transferring cards out of different wallets. I found myself doing that a lot when I had a longer wallet and I wanted to use a smaller bag. So getting compact wallets is perfect because they fit in literally every single bag that I own, and I think they're just a must. I have my ID, insurance cards, and stuff like that in here. I rarely ever have cash, but I do have a little bit today because I got my nails done yesterday, and I like to pay in cash. And then I have some coins in here too. The next thing in my bag is my phone, and this actually doubles as a mirror for me with this case. I'm not the biggest fan of the case because it doesn't really protect my phone, but it does double as a mirror for me, so whenever I'm on the go, I can quickly look in here and see what, you know, my face looks like. If I don't have this case on, I do carry an extra mirror just in case I want to see my face or whatever. This case is from Amazon. It's really cheap. It's a nice cute case, but it's not protective for your phone, so don't get it thinking you're getting like a super protective case. Next we have our 2020 essential, and this is a face mask. You need a face mask in your bag, girl, because otherwise you will not be let into any stores. So this is a mask from Silk, and this is from Slip, and it's a silk mask. It's really comfortable. It's really nice on the skin. I've actually seen this on different websites, but I never thought about getting it until Jaclyn Hill mentioned how great it was and that it didn't cause acne for her. And a lot of people are experiencing acne from wearing masks all the time, including myself, so I figured I would try it out. I do have acne in general, but wearing a mask made it worse around my mouth. Next I have a hand lotion, and I always have lotion with me because my hands are always ashy, girl, especially this year where you have to wear hand sanitizer or wash your hands like every 2 seconds. Definitely keep a lotion with you. I got this in my FabFitFun box a few seasons back. This one is really, really good. It's actually a balm to oil formula, so when you put it on your hand, it warms up and it kind of turns into an oil. You know how coconut oil turns hard and then once you rub it in, it turns into the oil? This is kind of how this one is. It's really, really nourishing, hydrating. Love it. Next I have my lip balm. This is a Kopari lip balm. It's a lip glossy. I always have some type of lip balm on me because my lips get ashy, especially under these masks, girl. Like, crusty lips are definitely not something I like the feeling of, so I love having a lip gloss on me or lip balm. The other day I didn't have any and I had to use my husband's chapstick, like regular chapstick. I can't remember the last time I actually used regular chapstick, but I had no choice. Okay, I like something fancy like this, or my Tatcha, or you know, cute little Sephora things. I also have my Glossier lip gloss in here. Don't ask me why, because my mask is always covering my mouth. I love lip gloss, so I always have lip gloss with me. So this is the one that I have. Next, I have a hand sanitizer, and this one I got at the dentist, which is so random. I have blotting sheets in here. These are from Tatcha, and I have super oily skin, so I like having blotting sheets on me. If I don't have these on me, I usually just use a really clean paper towel or something like that to blot my face, because my face gets so oily. It's like disgusting. Blotting sheets are a must, and these are really good. This is what they look like on the inside. They kind of have like gold flecks on them. There's another brand that I want to try. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I think it's from Walmart. I have to double check. Next, I have another lip balm. This is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Silk Balm. So it's like a regular lip gloss applicator, except it's a balm. I really love this one as well. It's really nice and smooth and moisturizing. FYI, this is not even anything compared to what I usually have in my bag. This is just a 2020 situation where I'm wearing a mask, so I can't really wear too much on my lips. Next, I have a Marc Jacobs perfume, and I like carrying perfume with me just because I like smelling good. I actually need smaller sizes of some of my favorites, like this one from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, because I wear this to work, but obviously I don't like to take the whole bottle with me. I do take it sometimes, but most of the time I don't, because it's actually heavy. The bottle alone is really heavy, plus the perfume in there. So I do need to get smaller sizes of this one so I can have a smaller, you know, baby size to carry with me. Or maybe I can get one of those little Travelo things, but I don't really want to waste, you know, I don't really want to spray all my perfume in there though. So I think I'm just going to get a travel size. So I definitely do not want to spray in those little Travelo things and empty out this one. The last thing I have is a little scrunchie. I like having these on me because you never know. Sometimes they break, sometimes you need an extra one, sometimes your girlfriend is an extra one. You never know. Like, it's good to have extra scrunchies on you. So that is everything that was in this bag. It actually fits a whole lot more than what I just showed you. The bag was like barely full, so you could definitely fit a lot in here, and it's very comfortable to wear. I should mention it fits very comfortably on me. So let me just show you guys really quickly. So this is what it looks like. I am 5'3", like I said, and it hits me perfectly at the 4th hole, but it is adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever your height is. I think it looks really cute. You could also wear it on the side like this. All right guys, so that is it for my little bag review and what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.